Okay. The area of sector AOB, sector AOB is this 90-degree portion of the circle, okay, is 20.25 pi feet squared. It makes sense because the entire area is pi times the radius squared, and the radius squared is 81 pi, right? Or 81, so 81 pi. And since this is a fourth of the whole circle, this is a fourth of 81 pi. So that's what this sector has for an area, okay? How do we find out what this shaded region is, this segment here? Well, we would subtract away this triangle, right? And we need 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 of, what's the base? 9. What's the height? 9. Because it's the radius of the circle, it's the same each time, right? So we would take what they gave us, which is 20.25 pi feet squared, minus the area of the triangle is 1/2 base times height, or 1/2 9 times 9. You can write that more neatly. And of course, that will also have the units feet squared. Okay, so what we get then is 20.25 pi minus 9 times 9 is 81. Half of that is 40.5 minus 40.5. And when you get that number, it'll be that many feet squared. Okay? And that is answer A. Now, if you were confused and you were looking at this, you might have tried to find this altitude of the triangle and use this as a base, but then when you start doing that, you don't actually need to do that because you've got a base and you've got a height of this triangle. A base of 9, height of 9, okay? So 9 times 9 is 81, half of that is 40.5. That's what you're subtracting away from the area of the sector that they told us. That's it.